Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix error history, untold, shuttering, FPS drop or the lagging or the freezing problem on your PC. Guys, first make a right click on your taskbar, you will see the task manager, simply open it. And here you will see all the background application that are running on your PC. Now you will see the memory or the CPU on the top. Now if these are above the 90%, then this means this is the data symbol. And you just need to close all the background application that you are seeing on the top. Now these applications consume the most of your system RAM and cause your game crash. So make a right click on all of these that are useless and click on the end task. Now click on the startups on the top and guys here just disable all the applications you are seeing here. Because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crash. So make a right click on all of these and just click on the disable. Now once you disable all of this, make sure you don't disable the important application like the Intel graphic command. Now the next setting is go to the Windows search and just type here the privacy settings and open it. Now here on the left hand side just scroll down, click on the background apps and then just turn it off. If this option is on your PC, then just turn it off because these are also the applications that are useless and consuming the most of your system RAM or CPU and causing your game crash. So just turn it off. Now the next important setting to fix this problem is go to the Windows side, type here the system configurations and open it. Now here you'll see the boot on the top, click on that, then just click on the advanced options you are seeing. Now here just check the box of processors and just select here the maximum number of processors you have. Guys, if you have the 4, 8, 16 or the any value just selected, this will increase your game performance. Then just click on the OK, then just go to the services, then just check the box of hide all Microsoft services, then just click on the disable all. Now these are also the services that are useless and consuming the most of your system RAM and causing your game crash or the FPS drop or the shuttering issues. Then just click on the apply, then you must need to restart your PC to apply the changes, then launch the game and your any kind of crashing, shuttering or the FPS drop problem will be fixed after this setting. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video and please consider liking and bye bye and take care.